उड़ने दो परिंदों को, अभी शौक हवाओं में, फिर लौट के बचपन के जमाने नहीं आते. Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear students, on behalf of Social Science Department, I wish you all Happy Children's Day. Children are the most beautiful creation of God. They spread the fragrance of love and happiness. So every year, 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day, which is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of Free India. He was known for his affection and love for children. He said, "The children of today will make India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country." Celebrating his birthday as Children's Day is our way of honoring the memory and vision of Chacha Nehru. He believed that the strength of country is in its young citizens and children who help to develop our country with their new thoughts and innovative ideas. It is not only a day for celebrating our first Prime Minister's work, but also about celebrating and making the children feel loved and special. The other reason behind the Children's Day celebration is to increase awareness of rights, care, and education of children.
Here, on this special day for children, I would like to share some of the rights of the children. According to the Constitution of India, it includes right to free and compulsory education for all children in the 6 to 14-year age group, right to be protected from any hazardous employment, right to early childhood care and education, right to be protected from abuse. So only through right education of children, a better society can be built up. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Nehru rightly said that children are like birds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. They are gifts of God. Let them fly with their wings. So, let's celebrate childhood with this wonderful song sung by one of the students of 6th C class.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों की तुमको से चल बनाए आशियाँ. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों की तुमको से चल बनाए आशियाँ. दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली लगा के हम गले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने, चुपके आए आधी आधी बात ले, आजादी लिए ज़िंदगी. थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना आशियाँ.
So, Happy Children's Day to all our loving children. Thank you.